I'm here in front of the Terminal 21 Mall on Sukhumvit Road in Bangkok. The plan today is to walk about 4.5 kilometers or so over to the Jim Thompson House, which is one of the popular tourist attractions here. I'll try to make an interesting stop or two along the way. It's about 34 degrees Celsius today, so it's gonna be a hot one. All right, let's go. Alright, I'm just making a quick stop at the Erawin Shrine, a popular worship attraction here in the city. You might recall there was a bomb attack here back in 2015. Thankfully everything is back to normal. This place is conveniently located by a few different BTS stations and a number of famous shopping centers. So this place is definitely worth checking out if you're in the area. this is the Jim Thompson House. I'm not going to do the tour today as I've already done that before. Jim Thompson was an American silk merchant who built this Thai-style estate in 1958. He later disappeared in 1967 in Malaysia and was never seen or heard from again. Admission is 150 baht, which is about $5 US. If you have the time, it might be worth checking out while you're in Bangkok. Well, that wasn't the most direct of routes, but eventually I got there. I hope you enjoyed watching this. I intend on posting a few more videos from Thailand. If you'd like to see more, feel free to subscribe to the channel, and if you have any comments or suggestions, please leave them below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.